What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you a unique trading platform that involves AI and has a really user-friendly interface. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of QuantafxAI. A link to this will be in the description of the video. So it offers a modern, sleek, and user-friendly interface that is designed to provide seamless trading experience, be it you're a beginner or an experienced trader. So with its intuitive navigation, users could actually explore various features, access market insights, and execute trades effortlessly. So whether on a desktop or a mobile phone, the platform ensures a very responsive and visually enticing, appealing experience for every trader out there. Now, the key benefits of this one, guys. Now, focusing on the key benefits of using the QuantafxAI, guys. Now, by harnessing artificial intelligence, QuantafxAI enhances trading efficiency with smart automation, real-time data insights, and predictive analytics, which will increase the efficiency of all your trades. That way you will not miss out on any exit points that you are eyeing for with your technical analysis. Now, this technology-driven approach empowers users to optimize their trades, minimize the risk, and take advantage of market opportunities instantly and not miss out on any opportunity that presents. Okay, so the platform's AI tools are built to streamline decision making, making it accessible for both the novice and the experienced traders. And as for the diverse trading account options, guys, QuantafxAI provides a range of account types that is tailored to different experience levels. So from the beginner standpoint until the professional traders, this flexibility builds trust, which allows users to choose an account that allows and aligns with their trading style and risk tolerance. So the platform's commitment to customization and accessibility ensures a personalized touch on the trading experience for all of the users out there. Now, guys, traders on QuantafxAI can access currencies, indices, commodities, and stocks all from a single platform. And this multi-asset integration enables diversification of the portfolio management and reduces the risk and maximizes potential returns. Having everything in one place is actually a lot of efficiency that is brought about by QuantafxAI. So you don't have to use and look for any trading platforms out there when you're doing crypto. This is what you're going to use this for using for Forex. This one is for indices. This is for stocks. You don't have to do that anymore. Just go ahead and check out QuantafxAI. This is like a one-stop shop for all your trading needs. Now, as for security, guys, the security and compliance of QuantafX prioritizes the security and regulatory compliance, which also implements KYC and AML protocols to ensure a safe and transparent trading environment. So this platform receives positive feedback from Trustpilot and Reviews.io, with users praising its AI-driven tools, ease of trading, and portfolio management. Now, guys, I would strongly suggest, of course, that you do your own research. Check them out, see for yourself. There's a lot of information in their website that will be very, very helpful for you to know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions on your trades. So you could go ahead and check out their features right here. You have their pricing. Okay, this is their pricing. All right, I would also strongly suggest that you go ahead and check this one out here. And you also have education, right? Forex and CFD trading, trading strategies, market analysis, risk management, and a lot more. So you can go ahead and check them out. Again, guys, QuantafxAI.io is their website. It will be in the description of the video. So we checked out the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about this trading platform. It is a one-stop shop that has the artificial intelligence feature. Go ahead and check them out. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell that will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.